If you're looking for a stronger core and better balance, step up to the next generation of training with the new M-Pad Balance and Strength Trainer from Modern Movement. The M-Pad transforms your workout into a dynamic, live gaming and training experience by syncing up with the free M-Track app so you can play, train, and measure results while you work out. Just download M-Track to your smartphone and choose a function mode. Play lets you enjoy interactive games while you work out. Train gives you exercises and movements and tracks them in real time. And Measure offers a full menu of instability tests that identify your strengths. Gauge your balance ability while tracking your progress from one workout to the next. When you're ready, place your phone in the built-in cradle and start moving. The M-Pad features 3 rubber base pads for multiple levels of balance and strength training. Start with one pad to build your confidence, then add more to increase your level of challenge as you progress. With a wide range of repetitious tilt and swivel motions that mimic real-life movements, the M-Pad builds your balance and engages your core muscles, while the M-Track app lets you play, train, and measure your results right from your phone or TV. The new M-Pad is solidly built with commercial-grade materials, features a textured surface for better traction, collapses easily for storage, and is compact enough to slip into your gym bag or backpack, so you can train at home in front of the TV, from your stand-up desk at the office, or at the gym with weights. Sync up, work out, get results. M-Pad and M-Track, the next generation of training from Modern Movement.